Imagine a world where AI doesn't just analyze data, it creates something new, from generating realistic images to composing music, writing code, and even designing products. Generative AI is revolutionizing the tech industry. But what exactly is generative AI, how does it work, and why is it being called the next evolution in IT? Stick around because in this video, we are diving deep into this game-changing technology. Hey everyone, welcome back to the ByteWise Tech. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for regular updates. Alright, let's start with the basics. What is generative AI? Unlike traditional AI, which follows strict rules to classify and analyze data, generative AI can create brand new content, text, images, music, videos, and even software code. It does this using advanced machine learning models, particularly neural networks that are trained on massive amounts of data. Simply put, generative AI doesn't just process information, it creates something entirely new based on learned patterns. So how does this magic happen? Let's break it down. Generative AI models are built using deep learning techniques, mainly transformer-based architectures like GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, powers AI chatbots like ChatGPT, DALL, and Stable Diffusion, AI models that create stunning images from text prompts. GANs, Generative Adversarial Networks, used for generating hyper-realistic deepfake videos and art. These AI models are trained on massive datasets, learning patterns, styles, and context. Then, they use these insights to generate completely new content. Generative AI is already reshaping multiple industries. Here are some fascinating real-world applications. Content creation and design, AI-generated images, video editing, and even creating entire movie scripts. Writing and chatbots, AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy AI assist businesses in generating blogs, emails, and reports. Software development, AI tools like GitHub Copilot help developers write code faster and debug efficiently. Healthcare and research, AI assists in drug discovery, medical diagnosis, and even generating synthetic patient data for research. Music and entertainment, AI composes music, generates lyrics, and even mimics famous voices. The possibilities are endless, and we're just getting started.
With great power comes great responsibility.
Right? Generative AI, while groundbreaking, also raises concerns. Deepfakes and misinformation. AI can generate fake images and videos that are hard to distinguish from real ones. Copyright issues. Who owns AI-generated content? This is still a gray area. Bias in AI models can unintentionally reflect biases present in their training data. Job disruption. While AI boosts productivity, it also raises concerns about job displacement in creative industries. While generative AI is an incredible tool, it's important to ensure responsible AI development and usage. So what does the future hold for generative AI? Experts predict that in the next 5 to 10 years, we'll see more advanced AI-human collaboration in business and creativity, AI-augmented coding where AI assists software developers, AI-generated virtual worlds for gaming, VR, and metaverse applications. Hyper-personalized AI experiences in marketing, education, and healthcare. Generative AI is not here to replace humans, it's here to empower us. The key is learning how to work with AI to boost creativity, productivity, and innovation. So, that's a wrap. Generative AI is changing the IT industry as we know it, from content creation to cybersecurity, software development, and beyond. If you're excited about this AI revolution, now is the time to learn, explore, and adapt. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity insights and tech explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.